I'm working on block 28 Ohio Star today. I previously recorded this block and my camera didn't, or my computer ate the video file, so I'm recording it again. I'm not using the measurements in the pattern so that I can show you the steps. So we're going to start with an 8-inch block, and we're going to do 8 at a time, half square triangles. So let's get that going. The first thing we'll do is to draw a diagonal line corner to corner, both directions. Now I'm going to sew on either side of the drawn line, and then I will cut on the line, and then I will also cut in the center both sides, and that will give me 8 half square triangles. Now we'll trim corner to corner. And this is an 8-inch square, so 4 inches is the halfway point. Okay, this is our half square triangles. At this point they measure 3.5 inches. And we're going to be making quarter square triangles out of them. So we've got 8 half square triangles, which will turn into 4 quarter square triangles. And to do that, we're going to put the half square triangles opposite of each other. Draw a line and according to the book, we're supposed to draw a line and sew on the line, but I'm going to do the 2 at a time method, which is to draw the line and sew on either side of the line. Because I want to have the bonus triangles. So I'm going to nest these seams, make sure they're nested. I'm pinning them. So they stay together. And then I'm going to draw a line corner to corner, and I'll do my sewing on the either side of the line. So I'm going to do one of these on camera and the rest of them off camera. There we go. And this will trim up to 3 inches. So I'm going to get that all done and get back with you as soon as that's done, and we'll put our block together. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to start putting the block together. We've got 4 quarter square triangles and 5 squares, all the same size. All are 3 inches. So we're going to start with our solids. We've got 1 in each corner. And 1 in the center. I had to piece a piece together in order to have enough fabric, but Whatever works. Okay, we're making a star, so the center makes a square in the square in a square, and then we have our star points. So let's put it together. We're going to chain piece it together. I'm trying a new camera view because the camera is right by my mouth now, and hopefully the microphone that's built into it will do a better job of picking up my voice. There we go. There's the Ohio star. And this one measures 7.5 by the time I trim it. It's 7 3/4 now, but by the time I trim it, it'll be 7.5, 7-inch finished. So that's what you get when you start with an 8-inch block. 8-inch squares to make your 8 at a time half square triangles. I'll put in a picture of my Ohio star for the Alice's Wonderland that I filmed originally here, and then we'll get busy with Star X was the other one that my computer didn't save. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Well, that's it for today. So I'm going to say, be blessed, less stressed, and pet some fabric today. See you later.